We're talking about almost a 16 to 17 month time period through which the Sensex has actually gone, and finally it's reclaimed this 29,000 level. So here's a report card of what's worked in this time band and what hasn't. Now, auto has been the star sector in the journey, with Bajaj Auto, Hero Moto and Maruti being the best performing stocks. These stocks have piled on a gain of almost 50%, 47 to about 49%, depending on which one you're looking at. M&M is slightly behind in this chase when you're talking auto, but even there, M&M has managed a 23% up move in these last 16-17 months. Now, while financials have seen a huge rally in the last few months, if you analyze the numbers from May last year, then HDFC Bank, Axis Bank and HDFC stand out as the big movers with gains of around 25%, 14% and 11% respectively. Consumer major Asian Paints has notched up a very impressive 41% up move. ITC, despite all the excise duty concerns, has still managed a 13% rise. Index heavyweight RIL, Reliance Industries, up around 12% during this 17-month time band. Now let's take a look at the laggards. So what are the stocks that have fallen out of favor? And here's some very interesting trends kind of come up. It's all benefit of hindsight, of course. Now, despite the recent sharp up moves that we've seen in these stocks, ICICI Bank and SBI have actually lost ground over this period from the time when the market was back at 29,000. SBI is down 8%, ICICI is down 12% during this period. Sun Pharma, which underwent integration issues, digesting that mega Ranbaxy acquisition, it's been the worst performing stock on the Sensex over the 17-month journey. The shares are seeing almost a 30% drop. In fact, pharma as a sector in its entirety lagged behind, courtesy the tough tryst with the US FDA. So Lupin, Dr. Reddy's, Cipla, all of those stocks down between 14 to 19% as we can see. So pharma definitely a big laggard. Bharti Airtel and ONGC are some of the other noticeable losers. Those stocks down almost 22% in this time band. Now, this is the journey over the last 17 months. However, things are very different if you track this rally from the lows of the union budget. That's when the market hit its low, 6,900 thereabouts. And since then, there has been no stopping the bulls on Dalal Street. So what